how to build a consistent coaching practice that provides me with a full-time income, and I can just keep doing this work full-time every day, and this can be part of my lifestyle. The answer is simple. You have to begin right now with you making a long-term decision that you're gonna make this work your full-time gig. That's number one. Secondly, you need an offer through which you're gonna help others. I suggest you to create a membership group coaching program offer for which you charge $100 per month. After you created an offer, course, community, weekly group coaching calls, right? You would want to use the app called School that I use, so you can host your membership program, you can host your course, the community, the calls, and you can charge people through the app monthly fees and manage all of the members in one place. After you have done that, your first goal is gonna be signing your first 5 members, so you can start getting some traction, start having some recurring income from 5, 6, 7 people. After you sign the first 5, 6, 7 people, you will want to go to 10, to 15, to 20, and start putting some kind of systems in place. For example, a YouTube channel, building an email list, doing webinar live workshops, having automated email sequences, right? So through those mini systems, people can start finding you, coming to you on their own. And of course, you should be creating a lot of social media content that attracts people come to you, right? So for you to build a consistent coaching practice, you will want to start signing people into your membership coaching program offer that's gonna provide you with a part-time and then full-time recurring income. If you would like to take the first steps with your own membership program and build it on School app, find the link down below. I have a free course for you and a free community where we support one another on this journey. Find the link down below, study my free course, and get yourself going in life. See ya.